Hi, I'm Darren Cheetham, Business Transformation Executive at Sharing in Growth. Today I want to share my experiences and thoughts around business growth, specifically 3 strategies that you can deploy in your business, and also share SiG's approach to business growth. There's many ways to grow businesses. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3. Increasing market share, product development and mergers and acquisitions. The first strategy is increasing market share. So increasing market share, so this is where businesses grow revenue, usually around increasing their competencies. This strategy allows companies to operate on a far greater scale, to increase their profitabilities, gives them increased buying power with suppliers, and can also support operations with larger volumes to spread the costs over more units. One way a company can increase their market share is by improving the way their target market perceives them. Better communication, improved image are a couple of ways of doing this. The second strategy is product development. Business growth through new product or service development. Businesses usually approach this by creating entirely new products, evolving existing products for existing markets, and enhancing your existing products for new markets. All of these approaches require thorough research and development, analysis of customer needs, and robust documentation plans. The third strategy is mergers and acquisitions. As well as growing a business organically, you can expand by joining forces with other businesses, usually from different market sectors. While this may come with some problems, mainly people related, it does have its advantages. So increased skills and an increased talent base. Also, it increases the business contacts. My top 3 tips for sustainable business growth are: invest in your people, their knowledge and skills and capabilities. This will be fundamental in achieving and sustaining your business growth ambition. All 3 of the strategies I've spoke about will require significant focus, a robust plan, and a level of research and development. And finally, ensure your business development processes align with your business growth ambition. Visualising this will aid your communications to others. Thank you. Hope you found that interesting. If you want to learn more about business growth and specifically how Sharing in Growth tackle this, please visit our website to arrange a free consultation.